Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to today's show. I'm going to show you how to make a delicious spinach and chicken salad. The chicken, I've made it with the tropical heat curry powder. It's very delicious and succulent. And this is just my take of how you can make a salad, and I hope you will like it. Let's get started. And for today's ingredients, because again we are making a salad, so I've already blanched the spinach, and as you can see it's a whole leaf, and I'll cut it up into smaller pieces for the salad. I'll also add some salt. Here I have some sea salt, some mixed spices, and I'll also use some olive oil for the salad. Now to add some crunch to the vegetable, to the salad, I'll add some, and also color, I'm adding some colored capsicum, the yellow one and the red one, and some onion. The star of the salad is the chicken. So it's boneless chicken. I'll use the all-improved curry powder by Tropical Heat. Remember, it's pure and natural. It has natural ingredients. The ingredients which you can see on the ingredients list are all natural. So to marinate, what I'll need to do is I'll start first of all with the salt. Now when you're adding salt to a steak like this, you need to add a generous amount, and then take the curry powder and also add a generous amount on top. So instead of black pepper, I'm now using the curry powder, and like I said, it's a generous amount. And then on the second side, same procedure, salt. The chicken will have a yellow tint because of the curry powder. Curry powder has turmeric, it has cumin. Right now I'm using a grill pan. A grill pan is the one that has the lines. You need to add a small amount of oil first on the pan, and then place the chicken one side. And you want to hear the sizzle. So this will cook for about 2 minutes, and then we'll turn it to the other side. So after about 2 minutes into the cooking process, this is what you're seeing now. The liquid is oozing out of the chicken, and it's halfway cooked. And now it's time to turn it to the other side. And now we'll wait for the second side to cook until it's cooked through. So the chicken is now cooked. And again, you know it's cooked when the liquid coming out from the inside it's clear. Remember when I started, it said the leaves are whole. What I will do is to take the leaves and cut them into some chunks. And then I'll slice half an onion to thin slices. So add the onion, sliced onion, not too much, just enough that will balance amount of spinach that you have. Colored peppers, this is purely for color, and also the crunch. So that should be enough. And I'll season the salad with some salt. I'm also using mixed spices. This is a Tropical Heat blend. Has some nice flavors. So you can see the different colors of the peppers, of the onion. That's the color contrast you want to have. Now if it's dicing, you cut one end like that, cut it into 3. And as you can see, the inside is still juicy. All you need to do is that. Into dices or squares. And then I'm going to add olive oil, and it actually looks really yummy. You have the chunks of chicken, the small pieces of onion and peppers, and the spinach. This, you can actually have it as it is when the spinach is still warm. You can place it in the fridge and have it when it's cold, but as it is, it actually looks, for me, it actually is very delicious looking. Remember, the chicken is nice and moist. It has the curry flavor. You will love it. So I hope you've learned something today. That's my take of how you can make a spinach salad with chicken. You can try it out with your own way. And I'm looking forward to your comments on the comment section. Let me know how yours turns out. And until next time, goodbye.